Okay, another question from Miguel Santos. Sir, ano po ang pagkakaiba ng financial accounting, or sorry, financial management sa management accounting? So kadalasan ang tanong is the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. Ito naman, financial management. Okay. Ang pagkakaiba niya, no? Miguel, no? In terms of financial management, yan po ay more on finances, more on finance, more on kaperahan, no? More on money, no? More on cash collections, more on credit policy, more on capital expenditure, more on FS analysis. So, yan yung financial management. And there are three goals, no, of financial management. Number one is the maximization, no, of shareholders' wealth. Ibig sabihin, ang goal nila ay pagtaas ng price, no, sa market price. Okay, what else? Number one, maximization of shareholders' wealth. Pangalawa, maximization of your return or maximization of your income. And the last one is the minimization of your cost or minimization of your risk. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng financial management. Yun naman, management accounting, no, although they are part of management advisory services, ito naman, management accounting is you have an internal reports, no, namely CVP analysis, budgeting, relevant costing, responsibility accounting. Ibig sabihin, they're all part of the internal reports. Sa loob lang dapat yan. So, in terms of this, no, as management accounting, yan ay intended sa ating internal users. And with this, no, as part of this accounting, no, very important also that in the management accounting, ang goal niya is for decision making. Same lang naman yan sa financial management, for the specific decision making. Yan ang importante in the management accounting. Ano pa? Management accounting is the future cost, no? Okay. In Finman, yes, we have also some analysis, no? Pero ang focus naman niya is more on cash management. So yun lang, magkaiba siya, no? In the management accounting, intended for internal users, and it is for decision making, while Finman is more on money, more on cash management, more on maximizations of shareholders' wealth, more on maximization of profit, and minimization of costs. So hopefully, Miguel Santos, no, sana nasagot ko yung tanong mo, no, about Finman and Manak. Okay? Bye-bye.